Did you know how powerful a daily routine can be? Are you content with your daily routine? Do you feel a sense of purpose and fulfillment as each day unfolds? Or do you yearn for something more, a life brimming with purpose and achievement? The power to transform your life lies within you. It starts with a conscious decision to embrace a daily routine designed for self-development. This journey is not about adding more hours to your day. It's about making each moment count. It's about cultivating habits that nurture your mind, body, and spirit. It's about becoming the best version of yourself. Are you ready to embark on this transformative adventure? The path to a more fulfilling and successful life awaits. Everybody is looking for direction in life. A ship without a rudder drifts aimlessly. Similarly, a life without clear intentions lacks direction and purpose. Setting daily intentions is like charting a course for your day. It provides focus and motivation. Take a few moments each morning to define your goals for the day. What do you want to achieve? What qualities do you want to embody? Write down your intentions. Review them throughout the day. These intentions serve as your guiding stars. They help you stay focused on what truly matters. Even small steps taken in the direction of your goals contribute to significant progress over time. Remember, you are the architect of your life. Set clear intentions and watch as your journey takes shape. Why are there not more people talking about the power of early mornings? This adage holds profound truth. Waking up early allows you to greet the day with purpose. It sets a positive tone for the hours ahead. Imagine this: the world around you is still asleep, yet you are awake, energized, and ready to embrace the day. The quiet morning hours offer a sanctuary for reflection, planning, and personal growth. Use this time to connect with yourself. Read inspiring literature, write in a journal, meditate, exercise. These activities, performed in the tranquil morning hours, will empower you to face the day with focus and determination. Remember, how you start your day often dictates how the rest of it unfolds. Choose to greet the dawn with enthusiasm and purpose. Why are there not more people talking about the power of exercise? Movement is life. Our bodies are designed for physical activity. Yet in our modern world, we often neglect this fundamental need. Regular exercise is not just about physical health, it's crucial for mental well-being too. When you engage in physical activity, your brain releases endorphins. These natural mood boosters have a profound impact on your overall sense of well-being. Exercise reduces stress, improves sleep, and sharpens cognitive function. Find an activity you enjoy. Make it a non-negotiable part of your daily routine, whether it's a brisk walk, a yoga session, or a gym workout. Commit to moving your body every single day. Your mind and body will thank you for it. I bet you didn't know how crucial self-care is for your overall well-being. Section 5. The gift of self-care. Nurturing your inner sanctuary. In our fast-paced world, it's easy to get caught up in the hustle and bustle of daily life. The constant noise, the endless to-do lists, and the pressure to always be on the go can be overwhelming. We often prioritize the needs of others while neglecting our own. Whether it's work, family, or social obligations, our own well-being often takes a back seat. However, self-care is not selfish. It's essential for our overall well-being. Taking time for yourself is crucial to maintaining balance and harmony in your life. Self-care means taking the time to nurture your physical, emotional, and mental health. This can include simple daily practices that help you feel more centered and grounded. It's about listening to your body's cues and responding with kindness and compassion. When you feel tired, rest. When you feel stressed, find ways to relax and unwind. This could involve taking a relaxing bath, reading a good book, spending time in nature, or simply enjoying a moment of peace and quiet, or pursuing a hobby you love. Engaging in activities that bring you joy can significantly improve your mood and overall outlook on life. It's about making time for activities that bring you joy and rejuvenation. Surround yourself with positive energy and people who uplift you. Remember, you can't pour from an empty cup. Your energy and well-being are finite resources that need to be replenished regularly. Take care of yourself so you can better care for others. When you are at your best, you can give your best to those around you. You need to hear this if you're struggling with stress and anxiety. Section 6. Finding stillness in the storm. The practice of mindfulness. In today's fast-paced world, finding moments of stillness can seem like an impossible task. Life is full of distractions, from the constant notifications on our phones to the never-ending demands of work and personal life. Our attention is constantly being pulled in multiple directions. Our minds are constantly bombarded with thoughts, worries, and to-dos. This relentless mental activity can leave us feeling overwhelmed and exhausted. This constant mental chatter can lead to stress, anxiety, and a sense of disconnection from the present moment. We often find ourselves lost in thoughts about the past or worries about the future. Mindfulness is the practice of bringing your attention to the present moment without judgment. It involves being fully aware of your current experience, whether it's your breath, your body, or your surroundings. It's about observing your thoughts and feelings without getting swept away by them. Instead of reacting impulsively, you learn to respond thoughtfully. Meditation is a powerful tool for cultivating mindfulness. Through regular practice, you can train your mind to stay focused and calm, even in the midst of chaos. Even a few minutes of daily meditation can have a profound impact on your mental and emotional well-being. It helps to create a sense of inner peace and balance. By practicing mindfulness, you learn to become more aware of your thoughts, feelings, and bodily sensations. This heightened awareness can lead to greater self-understanding and compassion. This awareness allows you to respond to challenges with greater calmness and clarity. Instead of being overwhelmed by stress, you can approach situations with a clear and focused mind, making better decisions and maintaining emotional equilibrium. I bet you didn't know how much there is to learn beyond the classroom. Learning is not confined to the classroom. It's an ongoing journey that continues throughout our lives. Embrace a mindset of curiosity and a thirst for knowledge. Make time for learning every day. This could involve reading books, listening to podcasts, taking online courses, or simply engaging in conversations with people who challenge your perspectives. The world is full of fascinating information and insights waiting to be discovered. By continuously expanding your knowledge and skills, you open yourself up to new opportunities and possibilities. Remember, the more you learn, the more you realize how much more there is to know. Embrace the journey of lifelong learning and watch as your world expands. This is why you need an evening reflection routine. As the day draws to a close, take some time for reflection. Review your day. What went well? What moments brought you joy or satisfaction? What challenges did you face? How did you handle them? Reflect on the obstacles and how they helped you grow. What lessons did you learn? Consider the insights gained from both your successes and your struggles. Gratitude is a powerful emotion that shifts your focus from what you lack to what you have. It helps you see the positive aspects of your life. Take a few moments to appreciate the good things in your life. Think about the people, experiences, and moments that made you smile. Write down 3 things you are grateful for. They can be as simple as a kind word from a friend or a beautiful sunset. This simple practice can have a profound impact on your overall sense of well-being. It encourages a positive outlook and helps you focus on the good. It helps you cultivate a positive mindset and appreciate the abundance in your life. Over time, this practice can transform your perspective. Remember, every day is an opportunity for growth and learning. Embrace the lessons each day brings. Embrace the evening reflection as a time to acknowledge your progress and set intentions for the day ahead. Let this practice guide you towards a more fulfilling and mindful life. You need to hear this if you're looking to transform your life. A well-designed daily routine can be a powerful tool for self-development and success. It provides structure, accountability, and a framework for personal growth. By incorporating the elements we've discussed, early rising, setting intentions, exercise, self-care, mindfulness, continuous learning, and evening reflection, you create a roadmap for personal transformation. Remember, consistency is key. It's the small daily actions repeated over time that lead to significant results. Embrace the power of routine and watch as your life transforms into a masterpiece of purpose, fulfillment, and achievement. The journey starts today.